is Dream from Where the Yocals Grow, and we are in the kitchen today kicking off our canning season for 2023. Today we're going to be canning up some strawberry lemonade concentrate for the kids for the summer. So if you are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, I am so glad to see you again. Let's get this canning started. In order to make some things easier on myself today during this canning video, I decided to go ahead and do a little bit of prep work first. So I took 6 cups of hulled and sliced strawberries and pureed them in my food processor, and that's what's here in this bowl. And then I took 2 bags of lemons and I juiced those lemons. Unfortunately, those 2 bags of lemons only gave me 4 cups of lemon juice, and I actually need 6. So I'm going to be substituting 2 cups of lemon juice with the Santa Cruz Organic Pure Lemon Juice. And you can get this at Walmart. I believe you can get it at Whole Foods as well. Now for those of you who are juicing your lemons, if you don't have one of those handy dandy little electric juicers where you put your lemon on top of that and it spins it around and juices the lemon, I have a neat little trick that I do with my lemons when I'm juicing them. Instead of squeezing them and breaking your hands down to feel like craziness, you just take a spoon, you cut them in half, take a spoon, and you hold on to them, and then you take that spoon and juice the lemons out there. So we're ready to start this. So let me move the camera down and we're gonna get started. So one of the other things I wanted to mention, I've already gotten my water going for my water bath canning. Let me get this on, keep it on low. So we'll go ahead and add our strawberries. That's 6 cups of strawberries. And this is only 4 cups of lemon juice. So we're gonna add 2 more. And that's 6. And then 6 cups of sugar. All right, there we go. 6 cups of sugar. Now the sugar that I'm using is an organic, non-bleached whole cane sugar. If you don't want to use sugar, I'm sure that you could probably substitute honey in there, or you could just leave it out altogether. So it says to cook this for about 5 minutes and bring it to a simmer, but not a boil. So we've got it just to a simmer now, and now we can fill up our jars. These are going to process for 15 minutes, and while we're processing, I'm going to show you this cute little light that I got from ASOKO to go out in my canning stuff because it's so dark in my garage, but it is a little under cabinet light. ASOKO was nice enough to send me this cute but discreet under cabinet lighting. It is a rechargeable light to go either under your cabinets, inside of your cabinets, under a shelf, or even inside of your closet. It comes with the light, of course. It also comes with 2 magnetic strips with 3M sticker adhesive on the back and a USB cord so you can plug it in and recharge it. This light will work great for me on my lower shelf right here. I'm going to stick it right here on the back, and that way I'll be able to see all of my canning jars. But you can, of course, you could easily use it again under your cabinets. This is great for people who rent, who are in apartments. If you want cute under cabinet lighting in your kitchen, you could easily put it there. You could put it inside of your cabinets if you need extra lighting in there. Super easy to install. It comes on the back of the light. It has 2 magnets. It comes with the 2 magnetic strips. Super easy to install. Just take your light and your magnetic strip with the sticker side up, and then slowly peel your 3M magnet sticker off and then adhere it to the wall. And it's easy to turn on. It has just a little auto right here. It'll come on, and after 20 seconds it goes off to let you know that it's set in the auto. But what's so neat about it is it has 5 different settings. It has the bright white, it has the warm, it has the light white, the blue white, and then of course we're back to the bright white. And you can adjust how bright just by putting your finger, how dim or how bright you want it. And I absolutely love this light. It's so tiny and so discreet. And where I am going to put it is right here on the inside of this cabinet on bright white. And now you can see that it lights it up, and I can easily grab these jars and we can get this canning season of 2023 started. Now, ASOKO was kind enough to offer all of my viewers a discount code of 15%, and the link in the discount code will be down in the description box. The strawberry lemonade concentrate recipe is not my own. I got it from a fellow penster, so I will put a link to her blog down in the description for you. So if you want to try this recipe out, you can go down and you can go on her blog and print it out for yourself and give it a try. So after 15 minutes, we've gotten them out of the canner, and we're gonna let them sit overnight for at least 24 hours and let them cool completely before we take the rings off. Now you'll know within 24 hours, let me pick this jar up, it's hot. You'll know within 24 hours, this little seal, if you take the ring off in 24 hours and you push and it makes a clicking noise, it didn't seal, don't worry about it, just put it in the refrigerator and use it, you know, within 2 to 3 weeks. Don't let it sit there a long time. It's hot, sorry, hot jar. All the tools that you saw me use in the canning video, the water bath canner, the canner holder, the jars, the 4U jar lids, all that is linked in my Amazon store, and I will have that link down in the description. As I said in the video, there will also be a code if you want to go see one of these, or if you want to get one of these, there will be a code down in the description to get a 15% discount. I want to let you all know that we now have merchandise. We have some t-shirts, some coffee cups, and some of those beautiful stickers. This I designed for mental health because gardening is more than just putting my hands in soil and growing food. For me, it is a release of negative energy to take back the positive energy that comes from the soil. So when I designed this, I wanted to make sure that I was putting it forward that mental health is important. So the design is in sound mind and sound body. Believe in tomorrow and plant a garden. So a garden can be a physical garden. It can also be the emotional garden. So here is the coffee cup, and we also have t-shirts and tank tops, men and women, and that'll be linked down in the description for you as well. So if you found some value in this video, please be sure to give us a like and a thumbs up. It helps our channel to grow. And if you want to see more canning videos like this, and we will be having some in the next week or so, because it's we're beginning to get harvest out of the garden. So canning season has started for us. Until I see you in the next video, thanks for hanging out with me in this one. You all take care of yourselves, you keep your heads up, and more importantly, no matter how you do it, you keep growing. Bye-bye, y'all.